Section 3A, using the point-slope method to write linear equations in slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. Now, point-slope method uses a formula that helps you take the information given to you and get it to be y equals mx plus b, which allows us to graph things pretty quickly. The formula is y minus y1 equals the slope m times x minus x1 in parentheses. So in other words, you have the slope, which is right here, and you have a coordinate that's used in the formula, x1, y1. So if we look at number 3, we're going to use point-slope form to get the equation. Now before we were given a slope and a y-intercept. We don't have that luxury at this point. So we have to use, or can use, the point-slope form to allow us to do the problem. So again, here's your formula. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Now we know the slope, so that's nice. That will go right there. We have a point, which is the x1 and the y1, so they will go in their appropriate positions. So right here and right here. So y minus y1, which is 4, equals the slope, which is 4, times x minus x1, which is 2. So we solve this for y. I will get rid of parentheses first by distribution, and I get 4x minus 8. I now add 4 to both sides, and we get y equals, now 4 is not a like term with 4x, so that's unchanged, but 4 is a like term with negative 8. We put those together and we get negative 4. And that is the equation of a line in slope-intercept form using the point-slope form to help us get there. Let's look at one where they give us even less information. Number 9. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Still the formula we're going to use, but now they don't tell us a slope. But we know from prior knowledge here that we can find slope by using the slope formula. So I'm going to take my difference in y's over my difference in x's, make sure my order is the same. So I went 5 minus 1, right and left, so I'm going to go 0 minus a negative 1. That will give us 4, and minus a negative is plus, so it's 4 over 1, which is just 4. So that is slope. Now I have 2 points to choose from here. Before I only had 1, so actually I have 2 to choose. And typically you want to choose the point that's going to be easiest to use. I'm going to pick the one point that has a 0 in it. So when I plug that in, I'll get y minus y1, which is 5, because we're going to use this coordinate, equals the slope, which we found to be 4, times x minus 0. Solve that for y, and we get y minus 5 equals, we distribute the 4, and we get 4x, and then 4 times 0 is 0. So we add 5 to both sides. They're not like terms, so we write them separately in slope-intercept form. And that's using the point-slope method to help you write slope-intercept form equations.